riding in the road coming from this Halloween event we was at up in Albemarle, North Carolina, and Troy says, I'm hungry.
Hungry.
Let's go eat. I said, okay, so go. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to go to SoGo. I imagine it's a Japanese restaurant. Yeah, I imagine it's a Japanese place since they got Japanese writing or something on it, Chinese or something. So we're going to go in here and see what this place is like. So y'all come along with us. SoGo. That's what Troy said. That's what I said.
You don't want this, do you? The sushi menu?
No, I don't do sushi. I don't do no raw stuff or no weird stuff. Everything got to be cooked. So apparently this ain't a place where they cook in front of you, but it's Japanese. So we're gonna see what this is like. So y'all hang around a few minutes.
Yeah, right there. Squid salad.
I think I just threw up in my mouth a little bit.
No, I don't do squid salad.
We ordered some of this right here though. I call them bug cocoons, but I think it's like a pork dumpling. It looks like a one of them things a moth or something goes in, you know, before they metamorphosize or whatever. You know what I'm talking about. I'm from the Mill Hill, so you have to excuse my way of describing things, but bug cocoon, that's what it is. All right, I don't have no clue what that is. Troy, they need.
It's called a fan roll. It's got cooked shrimp with rice wrapped in the seaweed and little imitation crab stuff on it.
Something that will kill you, obviously, because he's coughing over here. I mean,
No, ain't got
he's
nothing to
already
do
got
with
some
that.
kind of disease off of it or something, so I don't eat stuff like that, okay? But he's eating it.
That's because he's special.
It's got green stuff like, ooh,
That's wasabi.
okay. I don't eat that stuff either. But anyway,
Something wrong with you.
there's my bug cocoons right there, or whatever. I'll call them pork dumplings, but
That's what they are. They're pork dumplings.
when I can remember what they're called. If I can't, they're called bug cocoons. That's redneck lingo.
In Korea, they're called yakimandu.
Okay, whatever. He's been to Korea before. I have not. I ain't been much out of Lando, so hang with us a few minutes. We just ordered food. I think I got maybe steak and some soup and rice and stuff. It's just the what call that steak? Anyway, it's steak. I didn't get no chicken because I don't eat chicken, so hang with us. Hibachi steak, that's what it is. Hibachi steak. I couldn't remember. That's what it is. That's what I ordered. Hibachi steak. Alright, sure, I got a salad. I got soup. And I'm still dealing with my little, look, I don't know what to call them. I can't say that name. Bug cocoons, that's what they are. Are they good? I didn't eat all of them except two. Soup's good. So, still waiting on food. So y'all don't go nowhere. There's mines. They got steak and shrimp and rice. Let's get cracking at this stuff. That looks good, don't it?
Thank you.
Usually, I say usually. Look, I call this place a Hibachi Express place. I don't know what it's called technically, but it's Hibachi Express. They don't cook in front of you. So that's kind of what I name them. Usually the rice is not real good. I don't know why. It just usually ain't. But this rice is good. And these sweet carrots. Oh my God, they good. So I'm gonna be hard pressed to give this place a bad review. I'm just saying. Just thought I'd let y'all in on that for the end. Don't go nowhere. Look at that old big man throwing in the towel. All that rice on the plate. Soup in the bowl. Salad over here. All
Let me
my
tell you
bug,
something.
all my bug cocoons gone. And that's all I got left. And I think I can take that out.
I eat until I get full.
Yeah, I hear you. Eat till you get full.
We got an hour drive ahead of us, okay? I don't need to be emergency stopping on the side of the road. But you know as well as I do, back in the day, going to a
Yeah.
Japanese restaurant.
Let me
You gotta go.
let me tell you something about Japanese. When it comes to Japanese and going to the bathroom, it happens pretty sudden. I don't know if any of y'all know anything about that, but that shrimp sauce, it'll melt you down. So
Famous words. Boy, we got to go.
we got to go. So I'm telling you, I ain't real unimpressed. What say you, Troy?
That's why I keep coming back to this restaurant. It's amazing. Every time I come through this town, I'm always stopping here to eat.
For Hibachi Express, this place off the chain. Good service. We've been treated pretty good. Not terribly expensive. Wow. All I can say is wow. It was very good. So I'm going to have to give him a 10. And I think Troy would probably agree with that. So
Oh, yeah. I got a 10 too.
you got a 10 too?
10 too.
10 too. 10 times 2. All right, so if you're ever up this way, I believe this is in Locust. Ain't this in Locust? No, you did. Yes? Yes, in Locust. SoGo's in Locust. So check them out. They good. And it is not like what you think. So good hot food, good fresh food, good food. Till next time, please like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see y'all later.